Carfax One owner, extra clean. Hybrid trim. $1,000 below NADA retail. Great fuel ECONO 33 mpg highway/35 mpg city. CD player, keyless start, iPod MP3 input, aluminum wheels, head airbag, hybrid. 5-star driver front crash rating. Key features include hybrid, iPod MP3 input, CD player, aluminum wheels, keyless start, keyless entry, remote trunk release, child safety locks, electronic stability control, bucket seats. Hybrid with radiant silver metallic exterior and charcoal interior, features a 4-cylinder engine with 198 horsepower at 5,200 RPMs. Express ARESaintGermains.com explains contemporary styling, athletic driving manners and a cozy cabin. 5-star driver front crash rating. 5-star driver side crash rating. 5-star passenger front crash rating. 5-star passenger side crash rating. 4-star rollover rating. Great gas mileage, 35 mpg city. Affordable TO owned, priced $1,000 below NADA retail. Purchase with confidence, Carfax One owner. More about USAL-prone vehicles are covered by the Lawrenson Advantage, including extended warranties and free services. For more information, go to www.lawrenson.com/Lawrenson-Advantage.